Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and while you were sleeping, your AI tools just made you money. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. In 2025, AI is creating brand new opportunities to earn online, without needing a fancy degree or a big investment. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can start making money with AI today. Here's the truth. AI is the new gold rush. Companies are desperate for content, automation, and smarter tools. And millions of freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs are cashing in. But here's the problem. Most people don't know where to start. So let's break it down into practical steps. First, AI content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and others can help you write blogs, scripts, or social media posts in minutes. People are building entire faceless YouTube channels with AI-written scripts, AI-generated voiceovers, and stock footage, earning ad revenue without ever showing their face. Second, AI art and design. With tools like MidJourney or DALL-E, you can generate stunning digital art, logos, or t-shirt designs. Many sellers on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, and Redbubble are making passive income by selling AI-generated designs. And customers don't care if it's made by AI, they care if it looks good. Third, AI freelancing. Think about services like SEO writing, video editing, or chatbots. You can use AI to speed up the work, then sell the service on Fiverr or Upwork. Here's the secret. Clients pay for the result, not how long it takes you. So even if AI helps you do it in 30 minutes, you can charge full price. Fourth, AI automation. Businesses want to save time. You can set up AI-powered chatbots, automate customer service, or even help e-commerce sellers write product descriptions. Once you learn a tool, you can offer it as a service. And companies will happily pay. And finally, AI side hustles. From AI-powered trading bots to apps that help you flip products online faster, AI can give you an edge in almost any industry. But remember, don't rely on hype. Pick something real, build consistency, and scale over time. So there you have it, 5 proven ways to make money with AI in 2025. Whether it's content creation, freelancing, or automation, the opportunities are massive if you start now. Which method will you try first? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more AI money hacks.